More than 200,000 Montgomery County property owners have gotten this yellow notice in the mail. Here's what it means.
We sent a letter to all the affected property owners, letting them know that they needed to make sure that they had a homestead application sent in to SDAT, the State Department of Assessments and Taxation. And we're following, making sure that people are applying. A significant number have applied. The income tax offset credit that is now tied to the homestead credit is $692 for each one of these properties. It's 245,000 properties or so, and about 100,000 of them should still go and check.
We have until May 1st to apply or reapply for the homestead credit. Is due on May 1st. The credit is about $700. And the requirement is that you have to be a homeowner and live in the property to qualify. Please don't miss this opportunity. You have until May 1st to apply or reapply. Once you do it, you don't have to do it again in the future, but you must do it before May 1st.
The homestead tax credit's a really great program. It limits the increase of your taxable assessment. So what the assessed value and how much tax you can be charged based on that assessed value to 10%. That really helps because, we know costs are high, particularly for our seniors, those on a fixed income, but any resident.
Montgomery County Department of Finance Director Mike Coveyou says a change in state law restricts eligibility for the $692 county property tax credit. This new state law requires all residential property owners to also have an approved homestead application on file with the State Department of Assessments and Taxation, or SDAT, for their owner-occupied principal residence to be eligible for the county's income tax offset credit, or ITOC.
I think everybody should check and make sure that they have a homestead application to make sure that they can keep that $692 tax credit that's already on their bill. If they don't have that homestead application status by May 1st of 2023, then under state law, we're going to have to bill them for that $692 income tax offset credit. It's going to technically come off their bill. We're going to send them a revised bill, and they're going to owe the county $692. And we don't want that to happen for anybody who's eligible for this tax credit. We're recommending that everybody take a look, make sure that they have the homestead application status.
It's important when you see that yellow slip, if you haven't already, to go online to check to make sure that your home is registered as a primary residence under the State Department of Assessments and Taxation.
Property values are going up because we need more housing and the supply has been limited. And so as assessments go up, you don't want your tax to get out of control. And that's what this homestead tax credit, for those who made Montgomery County, Maryland their home, it's a way to limit those increases so that they can stay here and can be a part of our great community.
And for more information about the Maryland Homestead Tax Credit,
check either by calling or by going on to our website, the Department of Finance here in Montgomery County. We have a little link on the right-hand side that people can click to figure out how to inquire about their homestead status.
One of the worst things is when people don't understand what they have access to and aren't able to access it. So we want to make sure we're getting that information out. So check it out and apply. Make sure you're receiving all the benefits that you're entitled to.
We recognize that for many residents, your home is your primary source of family wealth and the generation of wealth over time. And so these credits are one modest but important way to help residents to stay in their homes, to build equity in their homes, and to stay, live, thrive in security and dignity in Montgomery County for many, many years to come.
reporting in Rockville, Jordan Lindsay.